I'm Craig Norden. I met Dr. Ray at the Adams County Fair. During the fair, walking around, and he picked me up and asked me if I needed a chiropractor, and I
And you
went,
did.
I did, yeah. So I'm very pleased with the results I've been getting and feel a lot better. And
And I was sitting under a shade tree while he was doing all this. But he encouraged me to come. He started coming and he loved you guys. I love you guys. The staff is amazing and very helpful. I've had a lot of
yes,
issues. I got thrown down a mountain off a horse. I didn't even realize that I had fractured my back, even after all the x rays I've been through, until Dr. Ray showed me on my x rays right exactly where it was, the source of my pain for 45 years. But and able to move forward from that and other horse wrecks that I've had and separated shoulder and torn rotator cuff and separated muscles. Um, I'm a piece of work. So I really do appreciate all the therapy and all of the things that are getting me back to doing things that I like to do and am able to do. I'm still a young 76. I'm Karen Howard. I'm his wife.